to get CapCut Pro. There are several ways to access CapCut Pro, the premium version of the popular video editing app, and here is a safe and updated guide on how to do it. First of all you have to do is open the CapCut app on a mobile device and sign in with a free account. Now, once signed in, all you have to do is simply tap on the profile icon or me icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now, once there, all you have to do is tap on the CapCut Pro option available there. Now you can see there are the plans available with monthly and yearly. All you have to do is choose one according to your preferences. If you want to pay the monthly for now and yearly, simply tap on it and tap on the purchase option available there. Once you tap on the purchase, it will take few moments to navigate to your payment section. Now, once in the payment section, all you have to do is enter your credit card bill or link your PayPal account and it will be paid to your CapCut Pro. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.